Hi there everyone, welcome to this video where I record every emotion I felt and every new experience I had throughout my first week at ISA Kolkata. Starting from the biometric attendance and the free-flowing way of classes and walking through the campus for the very first time and realizing how huge the campus actually is. Since we are the autumn 2025 intake, we saw so many beautiful color of the skies, rains, just a lush green campus. I got completely drenched. I went to play basketball and yeah. So this is what it is like right now. And I had to cover a huge distance while running from the basketball court. And so guys, welcome to the dog restaurant. एक कैशियर वहाँ पे बैठे हुए. The first few days are always about exploring the campus, getting to know the campus, and today we spent our time exploring the SAC building or the cultural building where we can play sports, we can go gym, we have dance room, and then I had mojito for the first time. I also washed my clothes, figure out how to wash it in the washing machine for the first time. Day 3 was about peace. That sort of sense of freedom you feel after coming out of the house for the first time in so many years. Okay, gotta run now. Oh my god, there's a snake right in front of the gate of our hostel, and I can see it from my room. Shit. That is so scary. Day 4 was about bonding. People were finally calling their parents less, calling home less, and spending more time with each other, getting to know each other. We discovered a Momo place today for the first time. Not everybody could join on the day of registration, but now the entire batch was coming together because almost everybody had joined. This was the first glimpse of festivities that we had. This is the menu for Onam feast, which is going to be after a month. Hi, it is day 3. Yeah, I guess it's day 3 of me attending classes, and it's a Tuesday. Friday was the first class, and then yesterday was Monday, but most of the classes were cancelled. So, yet we've only done plant biology class. Tomorrow, we're going to do a different class. It's alternative energy sources. Let's see how this goes. It has just been 12 minutes since lunch has started, and this is the line. This is only the upar wala mess. The same situation. These are the things that I got today. I am done with my lunch and now I'm going to show you the spot that I fell in love with the moment I saw it the day I came for interview today. So, this is not the right angle and इससे ज़्यादा wide हो नहीं पा रहा है, पीछे से मुझे लेना चाहिए था, but yeah, so this is the whole vines and everything, and this is a bench. So wait, I'll give you a side view. See, this is how it looks. I have a class at 2 p.m. and it's going to be our first core course class, like related to our subject, sustainability science. It's the introduction to sustainability course. So far, all the classes that we've had were amazing. I've done plant biology, like I said, I've done plant biology, and today also I was not sure if I wanted to keep all three bio related electives for my electives, and then audit alternative energy sources, which is chemistry. But I'm 100% sure after taking this class that I'm going to keep two life science related, which is plant biology and epigenetics, as my main electives, audit developmental biology, and keep alternative energy resources as one of the electives because it has semiconductors and so that's one of my favorite chapters from class 12 physics, and I studied it with a lot of interest. I mean, not just for passing the exam. So I'm definitely gonna keep it as an elective. I might just keep the alternative energy sources for audit. I've never really had these, I've never taken those chances ever. Even during my 10th boards, I could take IT, but I didn't. I had 5 subjects, and people usually took 6 subjects and then had best of 5. Similarly, in 12th, I just didn't take physical education. So, similarly here, but the one good thing about audit is that even though it's not adding to my CGPA, but it's still in the transcript. So, if I'm going for interview somewhere and alternative energy sources is there in my transcript, then it's good for me because ultimately my course is sustainability science. I have decided that since I really need to score, I'll keep 3 biology subjects as my electives, and I'll audit this subject, which is alternate energy sources. Yep, that's my final decision. Hi, I'm returning from the library, and I went to the library for the first time today. And I was sorting out my syllabus for epigenetics, and I decided which books to read from, and yeah, that's what I did today. And I guess I stayed there for about an hour, and it was so chilling cold out there. The next time I go there, I'll have to take a sweatshirt or something. I'll also quickly grab dinner and then go to my room and then just retire for the day. Okay, so change of plans. I was definitely gonna call it a day, but at dinner, I met one of the team players of basketball, and she offered for me to join them today. I wouldn't say no to that, would I? So, played a match today. I think my hair is setting. Honestly, when I talked about my hair setting in, I was probably talking about myself because by this point I was really feeling at home. Today was our official introduction with the seniors, if you know what that means. But everything was really chill, everybody was respectful. If you didn't want to do something, they were completely fine with it. But
वो पागल कर दे जहाँ दिए जाए दीवाना सबको शरारत से भरा बड़ी मुश्किल में पड़ी मेरी फैमिली तुम्हारा come on baby आओ करें डांस शुरू जोर से घूमे हम तुम झूमे नाचो नाचो दिल को सबको हिला दूं एक्चुअली ये टास्क तो मेरा था भी नहीं, मैं बस अपने इंट्रोवर्टेड बैचमेट को सपोर्ट करने के लिए स्टेज पे गई थी एंड मुझे खुद को डांस करना पड़ा था. हमने जो टास्क परफॉर्म किए इंट्रोडक्शन में, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट सीनियर्स को एक आइडिया हो गया कि किसको क्या आता है, एंड सो दे टुक आवर नेम्स फॉर परफॉर्मिंग इन द फ्रेशर्स. This is day 7, and by now we had come into pretty much a routine, but I've missed breakfast today. And I had cold coffee and croissant for breakfast. I could never imagine doing this at home. Anyway, I also had Ilish March. So I'm gonna be chilling in the common room for a while because there's AC. It's too hot, so I don't want to go to my room. And it's 2:30. In about 2 hours, I'll have to go for my official photograph for the website from our course. So we have our course-specific orientation at 4:45 today, and that's when the snack starts, and it ends at 6:30, right? Yeah, so 6:30. I think by then bumped into someone, literally. Anyway, so by then the thing that I want to eat will be over, and I'm gonna show you what there is today. Okay, look at the pile of burgers. There, in there. Oh my god. Burgers everywhere. cashier isn't there, so we can't pay by cash, and the monitors haven't been turned on yet, so we can't pay by our card as well. But I really want to have the burger. We used some street smartness and then somehow talked to one of the uncles, and he was like, I can't give you the burger right now, that's against the rules, but I'll note it down, I'll keep aside whatever you guys want. So
we're not going hungry.
yeah. It's not about hunger, I don't want to miss the burger, dude. Hi, it's picture day today. Everyone's dressed up.
Dressed up one t-shirt and jeans.
Hi.
Done with everything. Hey, aaj aur koi class nahi hai na? No. Done with the day, no? Did you notice just how confident everyone was when I asked class nahi hai? Guess what? We missed a class that day. Done with the day. Yay! Let's go have burger. Amruta, where is yours? Is it chicken?
I'm not so sure. It's fine. Oh wait,
We were hanging out at the common room for a while, and I was attempting to practice dance for the departmental freshers. I'll have to go at 8 o'clock at the SAC building, which is where everybody practices. But I got a call from Ananya, so I'm going to play basketball for 15 minutes because it's 15 minutes to 8, and then I'm gonna go for dance. Of course, I didn't play for 15 minutes, okay? I played a match and I did one shoot and I was happy about it. Anyway, so I went there, my senior was waiting for me, and then I started dancing. And this is the first time my friends was seeing me dance. I also found one of those girls who was also a fresher who danced Kathak, and we practiced together for a while. If you want to see a video of my dance performance, go check it out, it's on the channel. It's 10 p.m. I completed my practice, and then I was just there watching Didi Loka practice, and they are also including me in the last dance they're gonna perform, which is Lungi dance. It's just like a casual ending sort of a thing. And now I'm gonna walk for a little because I don't immediately want to go to my room. I also have this burning urge to study. Yep. I ended up playing basketball some more, and I was actually teaching as much as I know to my classmates. Good morning, it's Friday again today, so 1 week is complete, and I'm gonna end this vlog today. But what's surprising is the fact that even after everything I did yesterday, I have 0 cramps and I feel completely fresh. So I have a class at 10. I woke up late today. It's almost 10 o'clock. I have about 20 minutes. I don't know if I'll grab coffee or something. Let's see. So our classes got cancelled, and so I made a spontaneous plan to go home. I'm washing my clothes right now. After that, wait. Still gonna take about 10 minutes. I'll lock my cycle till then it's there. I will hang my clothes in the room itself. I'll come Monday morning. So in 3 days, aram se without fan bhi I think sukh hi jayega. Let's see. Okay, all set to go. We have decided we'll catch the 4:30 wala train. And what's the time?
It's right now, what the hell? It's 3:53.
Yeah, so
Wow.
it's a little tight because gate tak pahunchne mein hi hame almost 10 minute lag ja raha hai. Distance that we still have to cover, and I was almost giving up when Oishi came up with an idea.
We'll go till this plants, then we'll think that we have to go till that dustbin, and
Right.
then like that we're gonna set small, what should I say, ambition, which
Uh-huh.
we're gonna conquer and have the little spark in us.
Okay,
We conquered. That way we'll get the dopamine boost. Let's go.
very mature.
Very demure of me.
I was gonna say that. Bye. I just came back and it's around 9 a.m.
So this is what it looks like. I think अभी तक तो सब सूख ही गया होगा.